So the real magic happens here inside the primary bin. So if you take a look down here, this is our composting material. What we primarily use is newspaper. And this is where the worms actually live. They eat the newspaper and convert it to compost.
So with the newspaper, you also need to have like some kinds of vegetables, and I believe you can also have some kinds of fruit.
Okay, can I have like some notes or something? Things that we don't feed to the worms include stuff like citrus, things with high sugar content, and stuff that would smell bad if we kept it in there for too long. So things that'll rot fast or get moldy.
When maintaining your vermicomposting bin, you need only two things. You need a bottle of water, and you need something to stir up everything in it with. So, you need to make sure that your worms stay at a comfortable temperature. So, if you keep them in a closet or anything of the sort, make sure that the closet's temperature is not too hot and not too cold. If it's too hot, they'll want to leave the bin and they'll end up shriveling up and dying. If it's too cold, the same exact thing will happen. So, what you need to do is you need to take the water, spray it into the bin until it's moist enough that they are going to be comfortable. Because again, if it's too dry, they're going to want to leave. If it's too moist, you're going to drown them. And then you need to stir everything in it with just like a garden spade or something such as this, which looks like a fork.
Constructing the bin is fairly straightforward. You'll actually need two bins, primary bin, secondary bin. You're going to start off with the secondary one and acquire 2 bricks and place them parallel to each other in the bottom of the primary bin. This is to create space for the compost to fall out of the primary bin here. Which you can see has holes drilled on the bottom for the compost to fall through. Once you got that done, you'll place the primary bin inside the secondary bin. And that is pretty much it for the most of the construction part. Other than, what you'll have to do next is make sure you drill holes in the lid and in the side of one of the bins so that the worms can breathe and have fresh air.
Okay, Ben.
I really love this worm.
Gotta say,
The worm.